In this video, you are going to learn how to solve the network related or instance specific error while establishing a connection to SQL Server in Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Hi everyone, Ahmed here from System Hash and welcome back to another video. Today we are going to talk about a small error which occurs when you try to connect Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio, and it throws an error that a network specific query is not running. So basically this occurs, as you can see, a network related or instance specific error occurred while establishing a connection to SQL Server. This occurs when the relevant service is not running, which is necessary to start the Microsoft SQL Server. To overcome this issue, you just have to initiate a small service. You can open the, I'm using Windows 10, so just open the start and type services and open it. Your services window will open, and now here you have to search for, you can sort it by name. You have to search for SQL Server SQL Express. As you can see, it is set to automatic startup, but we have to start it now, and it is the only service which is needed by Microsoft SQL Server to connect to database engine. So you can search it and right click it, press start, and Windows is attempting to start the following service on local computer. When this is done, you will be able to connect to your SQL Server database engine. As you can see, it is now in running state. Go back to SQL Server and press connect again, and this time your SQL Server Management Studio will connect to its database engine. As you can see, it is now connected, and shortly all my databases will be showed here. As you can see, Embed Sony Bio, that's my laptop's name, and these are the databases. Expanding. So that's all for now. Keep visiting System Hash and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more exciting videos about development and training. Stay tuned. Bye bye.